Whenever you're in Cape Coast and looking for a place to stay, look no further because Oliver Cottage has got you covered. It's a security gated property with 4 fully furnished air-conditioned bedrooms all en suite. On the exterior, you are met with a sun lounge alongside a swimming pool and free parking space for all our guests. Coming inside, there's a bar lounge alongside our spacious living area where our guests can sit, have conversations while enjoying a beverage of their choice and watching some television. And for the heart of the home, we have a spacious kitchen with various kitchen equipment to make cooking for our guests as easy as possible. We provide a washer and dryer for laundry, and in our spacious hallway, we have a water dispenser as well as an ironing board. Free Wi-Fi inclusive. We are located in Cape Coast, Yamaransa, close to the Samu Senior High School. Head over to the Airbnb official website to book yourself a room now. We cannot wait to see you.